Hey, what's up? I'm back with an apron because I figure grilling steaks in white is probably not the best idea, and yeah, it just makes more sense. So, and today we are making Argentinian style steaks with chimichurri sauce, aka grilled sirloins with chimichurri sauce. I just washed my hands and now I'm ready to touch some steak, grab some meat, you know. Enough with the double entendres, you get the point. I washed my hands, put on some gloves. Now I'm heating up the Foreman, lean, mean, fat grilling machine. It's just an indoor grill that's super convenient. But yeah, so I heated up the Foreman, and now I have my gorgeous New York strip steaks from Costco. Technically, they're just sirloins because they're off the bone. But yeah, so first things first, you can oil your Foreman, but I don't like to. I think the sirloin is kind of like marbled enough that the fat will like melt and it'll heat it up. So if you want to grease it, you can grease it by all means, but I don't. I just like to pat it dry with a paper towel. I'm cooking 3, one for myself, and then one for each of my parents who bought the steaks. Shout out to mom and dad. Hey, please don't kick me out. I'm still filming. What? Yeah, no, it's fine, thanks. You can put did you get me starbs? She did. Oh my God, great. Okay, and then I'm going to add a generous dose of salt and pepper to each of the sirloins. Well, I'm just filming. Do you want pepper on your steak or no? I won't have pepper on your steak then. Foreman is heated up, salt and peppered the sirloins. Now, I'm just gonna open that up, let it cool down, and then let it do its thing. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Let it cook. Give it a hot second, about 5-10 minutes. We'll come and flip it. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes, and one of these steaks is done. My steak, which I want medium rare-ish, more on the medium side. And it's gonna be this one. It was out on the like edge, so it's gonna be the least cooked. And that is how it looks right off the Foreman. Oh my God, so good. I'm gonna put it in like the pan with all the grease drippings, because why not? Put that on the side. And then the other 2 are for my parents. They're going to be medium well done. I have a foil lined pan. Just going to put those in there. These also, like, look at the Foreman. Are you joshing me right now? So delicious. Wow. So I'm gonna put that in the oven for about another like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna do 400 degrees, so just like cooks them all the way through, and we'll come back, cut them up, let them rest, add the chimichurri sauce. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Steaks, South American chimichurri, Argentina style steaks. Yeah. This is a hot oven. Okay. Woo. So the other steaks are still in the oven, but mine is done, and I'm impatient and I want to eat right now. So I just took mine off, and then I covered it with foil so it could rest. The juices could redistribute, and now we're ready to cut it. So just have my sirloin, and I'm going to place it on the cutting board and chop away. Cut off the gristle, just like that big wad of fat. Now we're ready to cut it. Okay, now let's just slice away. Go against the grain, remember. So I just sliced the steak up in about 1/4 inch thick slices. Easiest way to just put it on the plate. You get your big knife. I'm using a Sudoku knife, which is like a Japanese big knife to like cut. You put your knife underneath the entire steak, and then you just lift it up. Pour it right there. And ta-da! I have my sliced sirloin right here, which is looking pretty good. And I'm just going to grab my chimichurri sauce, which I made earlier. I'm just going to drizzle over the steak. That, my friends, is how you make Argentinian grilled sirloin steaks. like they do in Brazil, South America, Argentina, with chimichurri sauce. Ta-da! Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and try the recipe. It's delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Gotta wait for my parents, but yeah. Okay, that's all. Bye.